Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video I want to show you some of the common problems I've seen people have with Notion to Anki, and this is especially for beginners. Let's take a look at the exporting stage. If you're here, one mistake that you can easily make is when you hit the export, you don't have the HTML option. So sometimes beginners use the Markdown option, which is not going to work, and I'm going to show you that. So if we try to upload that, you're going to see, bam, you get this error message, which is very hard to read. I understand that. It says Markdown support has been removed. Please use HTML. The way you can circumvent that error very easily, just again the three dots there and the export and then the HTML option. It has to say HTML there. And if you have sub pages, remember to check this off. In this case, I don't have any sub pages I want to add, so hit export. Now the page has been downloaded, and just refresh on the Notion to Anki page. Make sure to pick the right zip file if you have multiple ones. So just use the timestamp, which you can see 820. That's right about now. I'm going to upload that, convert, bam, no error messages. Right, it works, and you click download and then you open the APG file in Anki. Another error we have, which is common, is when you export here from Notion, you have everything right, the HTML file, but when you exported it and then you take a look at your downloads directory, you have a folder from some reason, but it's supposed to be a zip file. And one thing some users do is they go and just upload this, and then they get this error message here. And it says, missing relative path to HTML test. And what's happening is that Notion to Anki is only seeing one HTML page, and this HTML page has images. And we don't know about these images, so you get this error message. And what's happening is not the user's fault, it's actually the web browser. And in Safari, you go up here, and then you go to Preferences. Then you have to uncheck this Open Save Files after downloading. Bam. This way Safari is not gonna delete the zip file. So if I hit export now again, you can see we get a zip file in the downloads directory. Bam, there. And this is the zip file we want to upload to Notion to Anki. So if I upload this, you're gonna see it works, right? So please make sure to upload the actual zip file from Notion. Don't make your own zip files and stuff like that. God knows what's inside them and if it's gonna work. And here's another issue, the third one. I wanted to demonstrate this, but I've seen this before. It's corrupted zip can't find end of central directory. It happens occasionally, so I can't really reproduce this. I'm using an image from somebody who submitted it on the Discord. So the way you get around this issue is just try to export the zip file again from Notion, like the page, and then upload that. The one that didn't work, just delete it locally so you don't have it anymore, and then export again and upload that. And then hopefully at your next attempt it should work. That's the common issues in Notion to Anki. I hope this is going to help you, viewer, since you're watching this, and also new users. In the future, we're probably going to use the API of Notion, and we're going to get rid of this manual import-export process. But until that time comes, if you experience any of these issues, please just go back in the video and watch it again, and you should be able to figure it out. And if you have a new error, which we have never seen before, make sure to join the Discord server. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.